Past continuous. Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the past continuous tense, a very useful tense when we want to say things happening in the past. Remember that in each verb tense we must know three things. 1. When we use this verb tense. We use past continuous when we want to describe an actioning that was happening in a specific moment in the past. For example, I was doing my homework when you phoned me. 2. How we create a sentence in past continuous. All continuous tenses follow the same structure, be plus verb ending in ing. If you remember, in the present continuous, the verb to be goes in the present. So now, in the past continuous, the verb to be goes in the past. Look at these examples. The boy is playing football is in present continuous because the verb to be is present. So in past continuous, the same sentence is, the boy was playing football. Other examples. They were eating a cake. We were drinking water. As we have a verb to be in the structure, to create the negative sentences or questions, we use the verb to be. The same sentences in negative are, the boy wasn't playing football. They weren't eating a cake. We weren't drinking water. And the questions, we just move the verb to be and put it at the beginning of the question. Was the boy playing football? Were they eating a cake? Were we drinking water? Remember to use the WASV formula to create questions. In our example, there isn't a W. The A is where you do the negative, in this case the verb to be. The S is the subject, that is the boy. And V is the verb, that is playing. There's another important thing to remember. When a verb has only one syllable and ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we double the last consonant. For example, run, running. Stop, stopping. 3. Which are the typical words from this verb tense? There is only one typical word in the past continuous tense, and that is while. After a while, you have to use the past continuous tense. For example, I saw a nice shop while I was walking along the street. Another important thing to remember are the state verbs. They are some verbs that don't make sense in a continuous tense. For example, the verb want. We don't say, I was wanting an ice cream. We say, I wanted an ice cream. So the action can happen in a specific moment in the past, but we don't use this verb in a continuous form. Here is a list of verbs that are not normally used in the continuous form. Verbs of the senses, hear, see, smell. Verbs of the feelings, like, love, hate, need, want, wish, care, mind, fear. Verbs of prices or measures, cost, measure, weigh, contain. Verbs of possession, have got, own, belong, possess, exist. Verbs of opinion, believe, doubt, feel, forget, guess, hope, imagine, know, mean, prefer, realize, recognize, remember, seem, suppose, think, understand.